YouTuber by night, hit woman in the day.
Oh my, yo! David Attenborough is a savage. Hi guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited for this video. If you guys watched my last one, I got strangers from the internet to Photoshop my photos. And in that video, I asked you guys if you want to see strangers voice over my videos, and so many people said yes, like so many people. So that's what we're gonna do today. Is this a series? Did I just start a series on my channel?
I feel like it's your first one.
This is my first series. So if you guys want to see strangers do anything else really random on my channel, let me know in the comment section. Also thumbs this video up if you guys like it and hit subscribe. We also have a bunch of new subscribers, so hi if you're new, comment down below where you guys are from. Even if you're an older subscriber, I'm nosy. Anyways, I feel like I'm rambling, so let's get into the video. Okay, first voiceover is a guy, I think his name is Paul. I found him and I was so excited about him, and I thought for a second that he didn't want to do it, and then I got really sad, but then he agreed to do it, so we got Paul. He does this voice that sounds like a sports broadcaster or like an ESPN like person that like speaks, and I feel like it's gonna sound completely ridiculous to hear him voice over my DIY video. He probably doesn't want me to tell you this, but he's also like 50, so that makes it even better. Hey Paul, if you're watching this, you the best. I'm so excited, but like also low-key nervous. What is this video? Let's do it.
Hey guys, it's Sarah here, and today on my channel we're going to take this ordinary stool and this bath rug and put the two together. And so you just start by drawing a circle here with your Sharpie, and then get your super cute scissors. You saw them. You want them. And then cut your circle out. Wow, this is so much work. Whoa. All right, I'm getting after it though, because I'm going for it. All right, and then we're gonna get that out of here. Wow, it's like pink snow. And where's the crew to do the cleanup? Oh yeah, that's right, I am the crew. Okay, so I'm gonna do the cleanup here, part of the hazard of doing DIY inside the house. And now we're gonna take this rug and we're gonna put it onto the stool. You're gonna need a stapler, those fingers out of the way, and ba-bam. Yeah. We're stapling that on. Oh, we got to cut out the other side as well and go all the way around the stool. And super close-up shot of my cute nails.
Sorry, I had to pause it before we finished. There's still like 20 seconds to go. But I love it how he's like super cute close-up of my cute nails. What? Paul, I love you.
And voila, we have a super comfy little stool that we can sit on and do whatever we want to do. There it is. Yes. And now I can sit on it to, do my makeup or maybe take some selfies, stuff that I do. Talk about my morning routine. Thanks, guys. See you next time.
I love Paul. I specifically love that Paul knows that I'm gonna use that stool to like do my makeup. My favorite bit is when he's like, hey guys, it's Sarah here. I love hearing Paul talk about his really cute nails.
I love when he had the like super cute scissors, you know you want them.
That was like the most amazing thing I've ever heard in my whole life. Dang it, I'm gonna film like a video that needs a voiceover and everyone's gonna be like, oh, where's Paul at? I'm so sad that that only went for a minute. Comment down below if you think that Paul does better voiceovers than me, because same, honestly. Okay, that was my favorite thing. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to ask someone to do was a voiceover, but like ASMR style. I always see these videos of people like doing their like morning routine ASMR styles. I searched up on Fiverr to see if there was anyone on the entire website that did ASMR voiceovers, but like nothing came up. So I found a girl that does all different styles of voiceover, and she also like lets you put in special requests. So I sent her an ASMR video, asked her to do it like that. So this might be her first time doing anything ASMR. I'm glad it's not me. I wonder what she thought when she watched the ASMR video and she's like, why? Why does she want this?
Welcome to my DIY channel of like random stuff. Today I have no idea what we're gonna make. I just have some random like sticks and scissors and string and some like weird fake shrubbery. I don't know where they came from, but whatever, let's just go for it and see what we can do. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take the string and the weird shrubbery.
Shrubbery.
I hope it's not poison ivy. I don't even know what that looks like.
I will be screwed. I have no idea what poison ivy looks like either. Like, I love it how she keeps saying weird shrubbery.
So I'm gonna take it and just tie tie it to that stick that I found in my backyard. And I'm gonna do the same thing with other stuff I found around the house randomly. Like I said, this is just a random DIY channel, so I really don't know what the hell I'm doing. I've got some flowers. I stole them from my sister who's getting married tomorrow. It's okay. We're sisters. We steal shit from each other all the time.
My sister is freaking 10. Oh my gosh, this is so funny.
So I'm gonna cut some like wires and like more shrubs and more. Oh my god, my allergies are acting up a little bit, but that's okay. I'll take a Claritin later. I'm gonna tie all of this stuff together and try to make it look pretty. And then I'm just gonna hang it up on the wall, and I guess that's okay. Oh, look, my quote from Harry Potter. Except Harry Potter didn't say that. It was the Marauders map, but like, who really knows that, right? I mean, who read the books?
Oh my gosh. What the heck? This is like literally my favorite thing. Is this why people like ASMR? Is it the breathing? Or is it like the mouth thing?
All of those things, hey.
I love it how like my first time like probably listening to someone do like ASMR is in my own video. Anyways, I'm so excited about my poison ivy wall hanging.
You did a really good job getting that perfectly round stick from your backyard.
Comment down below if you guys love ASMR. That was literally the best thing ever until she like offended me and made it sound like I'm not a real Harry Potter fan, which I am. Technically, Harry Potter still had to say the quote to open the map. But anyways, I wonder if she'd ever done it before.
I wish we knew this.
I'm a DM her before I upload this video and ask her, have you ever done ASMR before? I'll put the answer here. On to the next one. Okay, for the next voiceover, I was low-key trying to find people to do this voiceover at like 12 p.m. Pretty much no one was online and replying to my messages. So I went on and you could like click online now to see who was online. Guys, David freaking Attenborough was online. It was actually just a guy that can do a David Attenborough voice, but that's basically the same thing. So we obviously had to get him. Plus he did the voiceover in like an hour, so we love him. My step-pop, when I was young, used to always watch like documentaries and stuff, so like David Attenborough was like my childhood. And now I have David Attenborough.
Are you excited or nervous for this one?
No, I'm excited. I freaking love David Attenborough. Do your best David Attenborough voice.
Okay.
Sitting over there is a wild Sarah.
Dude, I like should have just got Kane to do the voiceover. Okay, let's do this.
Despite the smile on her face, Sarah here has made a lot of enemies over the years, and today she's making an elaborate hit list out of some odds and ends. Despite being quite shiny and relatively attractive in their natural state, we're going to cover these clips in dust. Having paid a photographer to stalk her victims, Sarah organises her hits in advance. The poor souls.
Yo! David Attenborough is a savage. Like, what is happening?
Dusty clips put in place. Sarah orders them in some kind of hatred hierarchy and goes about using one of her tools of assassination to weld the bulldog clips in place. There, all done. YouTuber by night, hit woman in the day. Sarah has all the tools she needs to take out her rivals and enemies. Wait, these are pictures of her and Kane, aren't they? It's just some kind of photo board. Unless, of course, she's got it in for Kane. Yes. Quite possibly. I'd never thought of that. He is a bit of a rascal after all. Lovely plant.
Wait, what did he say at the end? Lovely plant.
Lovely plant.
What the heck? David Attenborough is a savage. That was like not what I expected at all, but like I'm so happy. I just got attacked by David Attenborough, but I ain't mad about it. It was the best thing. My favorite thing out of this whole video is fake David Attenborough saying YouTuber by night, hit woman in the day. What is this video? This is my favorite video I've ever filmed.
I love that your hot glue gun's your weapon.
Yo, everyone needs to watch out for Lord DIY. I also love how sad that he sounded when he's like, oh wait, it's just some kind of photo board. These people are so freaking good at their job. Let me know in the comments if you guys would ever want to see me do another video letting strangers voice over my makeup maybe. This was literally the weirdest video I've ever filmed, but these people are amazing. I'm gonna link everyone down below. I also got fake David Attenborough to voice over a different one of the DIYs, so if you guys want to see that as well, I can put it in a different video. So let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Come follow me on Instagram. It's @SarahJaneBets, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.